Palm Harbor Homes, your home.
Hello Texas, I'm Nick Taylor and this is Wes Voorhees. Wes handles all the financing out of our division here, and I just wanted to introduce him and tell you why finance is the best you'll ever see right now.
Obviously, you've been hearing that rates have been falling down. Money has never been less expensive. So whether you are just getting started building credit, you've had some bumps and bruises, or you're well established and you're on your way for your second or third home, we work with investors, we work with ITINs. Come on by and see us. We've got money for you. It has never been this cheap. It'll never be this cheap ever again.
And besides financing, you're going to come down and you're going to do business with the #1 division leader year after year. The Houston store has just done year after year, guys. And besides the fact that we do a lot of homes, we also have proof that we keep them satisfied for you and your family. We just won the award again for 2020 for Customer Satisfaction Excellence. They give us a rating, guys, and this is voted from you, the customer, on how well we take care of you. We can't wait to see you. Come visit us. You don't need an appointment. We'll see you then.
Palm Harbor Homes, your home.